Here's how you use the Lightning tip jar. Now to use this, you'll just need to paste your or type your Lightning address into that field. If you don't have a Lightning address, I recommend going to lightningaddress.com, click on the Get a Lightning Address button, and here it'll give you various options. It's a pretty good list. For this example, I'm going to use glow-app.co. I'll put that in the show notes because it's, yeah, kind of a mouthful. Anyway, I put in my Lightning address there. I just click the generate button, and this is the sticker option. And the idea here is you cut this out and put it onto a tip jar. If you don't have a jar, I also made this option where you can just do a tri-fold sign. I think this works best with cardstock, but it's not necessary. You can just cut this out and fold it and then print it. Basically, you have like a three-way tri-fold with two QR codes. And then you just click the print button. So that's how you print that. Now, when you do this, you'll have to cut this out. And what I like to do is just like fold it here on these dotted lines, and then you can tape this, and it just makes like this foldable tri-fold, I guess. And then to print the square sticker, you just click that and go ahead and print it out. Here's an example of the tip jar, and here's an example of the tri-fold. And if you found this valuable, go ahead and hit my tip jar. You can actually try it yourself by scanning that QR code and see if it works for yourself. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah, and I want you to share this, but I don't want you to share it like, on social media or whatever necessarily. I want you to share it with people who work for places that accept Bitcoin as payments, like, people working at hamburger stands or other places, bartenders, you know what I mean. Share it with them. Thank you.